Once in a generation, a building rises past its peers to set a new standard, changing tomorrow's expectation of design and innovation. A visionary project at the heart of a visionary city. In a prime centralized location, within the new capital's financial district, amongst Egypt's most prominent financial institutions, the Central Bank of Egypt, the Egyptian Exchange, and a number of prime international banks. And in close proximity to the new capital's administrative district, housing the Egyptian parliament, the cabinet, as well as the Egyptian ministries. Introducing Cairo Business Plaza, a revolutionary environmental concept for office buildings in Egypt. For decades, a building's life cycle was a linear process, depleting natural resources and accumulating non-reusable and sometimes harmful waste. Today more than ever, this wasteful pipeline needs to be rationalized into an eco-friendly cycle. A proactive approach meeting today's demands without compromising our future. Since early design stages, we've explored a variety of massing options, aiming to maximize natural light introduction into the building. Through split masses and courts, we succeeded in providing natural light to 55% of the total office space. Cairo Business Plaza's outer envelope does not only reflect the project's futuristic character, but actually acts as a climate-adaptive skin to shield against energy waste. Elevation's treatments are a direct response to the sun exposure and heat. Each facade has been individually treated with innovative and aesthetic shading devices that allow controlled light and heat penetration. In addition to a high-performance glazing system that provides optimum insulation and adequate lighting, creating a more comfortable working environment. And for further energy preservation, the roof is equipped with high solar reflectance pavers, high albedo roof coating, shade trees, and green areas. These envelope treatments are responsible for saving up to 28% of energy consumption in comparison to conventional buildings. Moreover, the roof is covered with 6,000 square meters of photovoltaic solar panels, generating electricity equivalent to 16.5% of the building's total energy demand. In almost every aspect, we have adopted cradle-to-cradle biometric approach. We've carefully selected low-emission construction and finishing materials and opted for local rather than imported materials whenever possible, creating inviting and luxurious spaces while maintaining the ecosystem's balance. Since climate control is highly demanding on energy, we have relied on a sophisticated HVAC system, including heat exchangers and VAV systems, achieving an energy consumption cut down of 16%. And thanks to the regular introduction of fresh air into the system, and also the proper distribution of air outlets, optimum oxygen levels and enhanced air quality is secured for all spaces. A healthy and inviting environment that focuses on the user's well-being and boosts workplace productivity and creativity. The future is not something we enter. The future is something we create. We see Cairo Business Plaza as an extremely fine-tuned instrument with a minimum carbon footprint, 33% less on greenhouse gases emission, 30.5% less on energy consumption, 41% less on water consumption, which renders the project eligible for LEED Gold. This methodical approach, weaved into an innovative design, is resulting in a Class A office building. where investment can be safely trusted. Cairo Business Plaza, the prime address for future success.